this late. So basically, I got 2 invoices for my slime order, and I already have the box ready right here. So let's see. So she wants an Eye Bloom strawberry, which I have right here. I'm just gonna put that in here. Then she wants a cake squishy. Then she wants a 8-ball squishy. I don't have an 8-ball squishy. I've never even heard of those, so I'm just gonna give her a real 8-ball, which kind of has this on it. Then she wants a Rubik's Cube squishy. Again, I don't have that, so I'm just gonna give her a real Rubik's Cube, which I have right here, and it's like not like it's not full, like it's not mixed up. And then she actually ordered a slime package and then a squishy package. So then she wants a Willy the Whale, which I do have a real squishy of. I'm sorry. Okay, so there's this. Let's see what else she wants. She wants a. I'm sorry here, guys. She wants a rock squishy. I guess I'll just try to find a rock. I don't have a rocks like I have a rock from Gray's Harbor Rocks. I guess I'll do that. So then she wanted, let's see here, a frog squishy. I don't really have a frog squishy again, so I'm just gonna give her this. This will totally work. So that's her squishy package, and let's send this out. So yeah, we're gonna go send this out, and I already have the stuff on, so let's go. And I told her to record it also. I put that on the invoice, and it's already in here. Wait, no it isn't. Okay, I got my invoice, and I just put it in there, and we're going to go send this out, and I told her to film it on the invoice also. So we're going to see what her reaction is like, so let's go.
Hi, my name's Kira, and I got this squishy package. Can't wait to see what's inside. A frog plush toy. No, what I wanted a squishy. It's like an 8-ball. I wanted a squishy 8-ball. Okay. Oh, I got Millie the Whale. Here's a squishy. I wanted a squishy walk, not the actual rock. Okay. Ooh, a cake squishy. That's what I wanted. Rubik's Cube. What is a squishy? Oh, yes! The strawberry. So I only got like 3 squishies that I wanted, and some I didn't need or want. So that's my squishy packaging.
Okay guys, that was a skit. That was all fake. We're just doing that for fun, and we might do another one of these just for fun. So
on
yeah,
the slime package.
Yeah, and so basically the same thing, but like slime. So yeah, bye.
Bye.
Make sure you guys subscribe and like.